Hello, boys and girls. There are 5 types of rhinoceros in the world, and each play a unique role in the environment that they live in. The rhino that we're looking at now is called the greater one-horned rhino. It is also known as the Indian rhino, and they're known as gentle giants, and they are rare and very endangered. However, unlike other rhinos, they are known for having one horn and skin that looks like armor, making them truly unique. The greater one-horned rhino lives in savannas, forests, river valleys, and marshes. They are native to the Indian subcontinent. They can weigh anywhere from 4,000 pounds up to 5,000 pounds. And their height at their shoulder is about 6 feet. These greater one-horned rhinos can live anywhere from 25 years to 45 years. These rhinos are also grazers and feed mostly on grass. The greater one-horned rhino is endangered. Their habitat is being threatened. We have learned why habitats get threatened and how could we help the greater one-horned rhino not become extinct.